Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the ocean because we're talking about one of the most well-known water types from Generation 1, Tentacool. You've probably seen it countless times while surfing across the Kanto seas, and maybe even got a little annoyed by how often it appears, but Tentacool is actually way cooler than most people realize. Let's take a closer look. Tentacool is Pokemon number 72 in the Pokédex. It's a water and poison type Pokemon known as the jellyfish Pokemon. It has a translucent blue body, two big red orbs on its head, and a pair of long flexible tentacles that it uses for both swimming and attacking. Even though it looks peaceful floating in the ocean, Tentacool is capable of firing off toxic stings and acid attacks that can really mess up an opponent. Tentacool evolves into Tentacruel starting at level 30, and that's when things get serious. Tentacruel grows more tentacles, gains a larger, more menacing appearance, and becomes one of the most feared Pokemon in the sea. It's known to have up to 80 tentacles, though it usually only shows a few at a time. So while Tentacool is the calm before the storm, Tentacruel is the full-blown tsunami. In the main Pokemon games, Tentacool is everywhere. If you've ever surfed across the ocean in the Kanto, Johto, or Hoenn regions, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Tentacool is one of the most common encounters in the water, but here's the thing, it's actually really useful. With strong special defense and moves like Bubble Beam, Acid, and later Surf or Sludge Bomb, Tentacool can be an amazing team member, and once it evolves into Tentacruel, it can even learn Toxic Spikes, a great move for competitive battles that poisons opponents when they switch in. In the Pokemon anime, Tentacool and Tentacruel had one of the most dramatic appearances ever in the original series. Remember the episode where a giant Tentacruel attacked a city after humans destroyed its coral home? That episode showed just how powerful and intelligent these Pokemon can be. It was kind of like a Pokemon version of a kaiju movie, and it made Tentacool and Tentacruel way more memorable for a lot of fans. Since then, they've popped up here and there, usually floating peacefully or causing a little oceanic chaos. Here are some fun facts about Tentacool. Its Japanese name is Menokurage, which literally means jellyfish with eyes. Tentacool is made up of 99% water, which explains its almost see-through body. Its red orbs actually glow. They're full of toxins that it can release when it feels threatened. Even though people joke about running into too many Tentacool, its evolved form Tentacruel has been a strong and respected Pokemon in competitive play for years. And in Pokemon Go, Tentacool's shiny form has green orbs instead of red. It looks super cool. And that's everything you need to know about Tentacool. Sure, it might seem like just another common ocean Pokemon, but once you learn about its abilities, design, and history, you realize it's way more fascinating than it gets credit for. Now, I want to know, what do you think of Tentacool? Do you love it or do you avoid surfing because of it? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Pokemon Spotlights, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching, and remember, even the simplest Pokemon can have the deepest stories.